This is the elevator at an office building on McKnight Rd with Adam. You can comment on that. I think it's an old Marshall modded by Marshall. And two.
I don't know if it's a mod.
I think it's, I don't know. The address for it will be in the title here too. It's interesting, this side's a single slide door, this one's a 2-speed door.
7440 McKnight Rd.
Wrapped on one?
Maybe phone in there.
Yeah. Typical. Just standard brown cab. Certificate 2005. Ooh, it's kind of quick.
2-speed door, single speed door.
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause I think I see Dover blue in there. I don't know. I mean, this looks all new. I don't know. I thought I saw specifically Dover blue. And of course, it's not what we